You keep waiting for motivation to magically show up so you can finally change your life? Here's the uncomfortable truth. You don't need motivation. You need a decision and the courage to make it. Let's be honest for a second. We've all been sold this idea that motivation is the key, that one day we'll wake up fired up, ready to crush it, and then everything will change. But that day never comes. Instead, you wait, you hope, you tell yourself, I'll start when I feel like it. And when that feeling doesn't show, you stay stuck. Here's what I've realized. Your life isn't stuck because you're lazy or broken. It's stuck because you've gotten too comfortable with settling. And deep down, you know it. You don't say it out loud, but you feel it. That quiet disappointments every time you choose comfort over courage. I'll start tomorrow. I just need to get my head in the right place. I'll do it when things calm down.
But here's the thing, you're never gonna feel ready. Because readiness isn't real, it's just fear in disguise. And the craziest part? Change doesn't come from some big dramatic moment. Sometimes it starts in 2 minutes. 2 minutes of doing the thing you've been avoiding. 2 minutes of choosing yourself over your excuses. Because right now you're negotiating with yourself. I'll wake up early after 5 more minutes. I'll work on my dream after I scroll a little longer. I'll speak up when I'm less scared. Every time you give in, you're voting for the life you say you hate. And you keep casting that vote quietly, daily, without even realizing it.
But here's what I've learned. You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need a 90-day roadmap. You just need to burn the bridge back to the old version of you, the one who always backs down. So here's what I want you to do. The 2-minute rule. Think of one thing you've been avoiding. One small step that if you took it would actually move your life forward. Now don't overthink it, don't plan it, just do it. Send that message, make that call, close that tab, walk away from that situation. Do it before your brain has time to talk you out of it. No prep, no perfect timing, just action. Fast, messy, real. Because 2 minutes of courage can change more than 2 years of wishing. And here's the part we all avoid. You're not undisciplined.
You're just addicted to waiting, to hesitation, to the safety of not yet. But the only way out is through, straight into action before fear has time to hit send. So here's the deal. You can close this and go back to the same cycle, the same excuses, the same someday. Or you can use the next 120 seconds to prove to yourself that you're serious this time. No one else has to know, no one has to see, but you'll know, and that's where it starts. Clock's ticking. What are you gonna do?